What's going on, YouTube? What I have here in this box, I've been waiting for a couple of months now. It's from Alpinestars, all right? And I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of people out there that's been waiting for this product just like me. And it actually arrived today. Basically, I did a pre-order with a vendor, and I saw where some other vendors actually had got it in the stock about 2 days ago. And one of those vendors was Revzilla. All right, and I figured, listen, you can't go wrong. Revzilla colors is orange. All right, as you guys can see, I'm a KTM guy. Red is my favorite color. Orange is my son's favorite color. But because it's his favorite color, I like orange as well. So right here we got a KTM RC8R. Right here we have the new 1290 Super Duke GT. But back to the unboxing, all right? We didn't come here to talk about these motorcycles. We came here to talk about what's in this box. Let's get it open. Let's use the Super Duke key to open this box. Now, keep in mind, outside of promotional material Alpinestars has been talking about with this actual item we have here in the box, I know nothing about it. I mean, I know about the vest, and I know about what it can do, the gyroscopes, the sensors and everything. What I mean by that is I haven't seen anybody else on YouTube unbox one of these. So let's get started. All right, guys, you see that? All right. Nothing's on the back. All right. Another label here, tell you what size it is. All right. There's a handle here to carry this. All right, so let's put this down. And just some packaging material in the box. Let's see, voucher to Naked Wines. I've never had alcohol in my life before. If I sniff a root beer, I may pass out, so this won't work for me, but I'll give it to somebody who I know drinks. Got some stickers here. Not bad. Let's get back to this though. Like I said, I've never, ever wanted a product so bad. And I really wanted this vest. I'm really big on safety. There's a lot of times when I'm out on the RC8, I'm in a one piece. The GT, I have like a two-piece mesh that I ride in with sometimes, but let's take a look at this. Nice Apple-like packaging here. All right. This comes out. We'll toss that to the side. All right. Down here at the bottom was the battery charger. I'm going to flip this back up so you guys can see. All right. We have the Tech Air 5 manual. All right. And we have the Tech Air 5 battery charger. All right. And of course, we have the Tech Air 5 vest. All right, and I ordered a size large. You know, used to be athletic, partly chubby now. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Got some Velcro down here. All right, to go along with some zippers. Actually, you know what? I wasn't going to do this, but let's try this on for the camera. And while we do that, I'll cut this light back on. Like I said, this is a size large. So, I'm not sure the camera can get that. This is pretty unique zipper here. It has like a magnetic insert that clips there. And this then, oh, let's see. I did something wrong. Magnetic clip. Oh, let's go back down. Like I said, this is first time. So we're both getting to see it on camera and witness everything. So that goes there. Then this zips. Alright. And then some Velcro there. Size large. You guys can see that it's activating now. And keep in mind, I got a t-shirt on up under this. But I like the fit. Not bad, actually. I'm glad I went with a large. Pretty cool. Let's see. Let's take a look at what's in those boxes there. Let's just see what that stuff looks like. We'll put this jacket up, or vest up. All right. This one. Tech Air 5 battery charger. All right. We have a micro USB cable. All right. We have our charger. And we have some plugs. All right. For different countries here. All right. I'm not going to go through all of them. Tech Air 5 manual. Now, because I was anxious to get this product, I actually downloaded the app probably about a week before I received the vest. So I've went over this entire manual. And anyone else purchasing this product, I suggest that you go over the entire manual. There's some really good detailed information in here that you're going to want to know about your vest, as far as what the LED lights mean in the front, how to connect it to charge it, how to take care of it, how to clean it. There's a bunch of information in here. Just to show you, for example, this is the display indicator page that explains what's going on with the LEDs. Alright, don't want to make this video too long. Just wanted to put it up really quick because I feel like I'm probably one of the first ones that received this product. Any information, leave it in the comments and I'll try to answer. Peace.